Bergstresser has fared tonight so far? That okay, just okay. I mean, they're bringing pressure. He's not aware of it. Like you just saw in this last play, they brought pressure off the corners. He just kind of launched that one. He had one-on-one from the outside. He made a really poor throw on the interception.